Hello students, how are you? We hope you are doing well and enjoying our PE lessons. Okay, let's start our class today with warm-up. Over to Mr. Hassan.
1, 2.
Let's do some neck
3,
exercises.
4, 5.
You have to move your neck
6,
up and down.
7, 8. 8, 7.
Hands on your waist
5,
and moving your neck
4,
up and down.
3, 2, 1.
Okay,
1,
now sideways.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now,
1,
arms rotation.
3,
Okay, right arm up.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way.
Other
8,
way around.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, same
1,
exercise with other arm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8,
Other way around.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, next.
1,
Both arms
2,
making
3,
huge circle.
4, 5, 6.
Good job,
7,
good job, kids. Carry
8,
on. Carry on, kids.
8,
Other way around.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, next exercise is
1,
oh,
2,
arms movement.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You have to
8,
stretch your arms
7,
all the way,
6, 5,
touching your shoulders
4,
with your thumbs.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, next exercise.
1,
Okay, waist
2,
movement.
3,
Bending sideways,
4,
side to side.
5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, next exercise is
1,
touching toes.
3,
Okay,
4,
what you have to do in
5,
this, kids, without bending your knees, you have to try to touch your toes.
8, 7,
This is little bit harder for you, but try to do it. You will do it.
3,
You can do it. Yes.
1.
Okay. Now next exercise. Feet
1,
apart,
2,
touching your toes
3,
and up. Touch your toes.
5,
Up. Without bending your knees.
8. 1,
Oh, let's do some
3,
windmills.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6.
Come on, kids, come on.
5,
Yes, you can do it.
4,
I know you can do it.
3, 2, 1.
Very good. Everybody is doing it.
1, 2,
Press
3,
your
4,
knees.
5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Excellent. Good job, everybody.
Okay.
Now,
1, 2,
oh,
3,
this is basic
4,
squats for kgs.
5, 6.
Okay.
7.
Very
8.
nice. Very nice, everybody.
1,
Okay.
2,
You are
3,
keeping your heels up.
4,
Okay. Standing
5,
on your toes.
6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6,
Excellent.
5,
Excellent, kids.
4,
Coming on your toes.
3,
Keep your
2,
heels high.
1. 1, 2, 3,
Jumping on your
5,
place.
6, 7, 8, 8, 7.
And you're gonna
6,
jump on
5,
your toes.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Back and
7,
forth.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
1, 2.
Okay, now sideways.
7, 8.
You will stay on your place and do these all jumps.
1.
Good job.
1, 2.
Oh my God.
5, 6.
It is full of fun. This exercise is full of fun.
2, 1.
Wow.
1, 2.
Some jumping
5,
jacks.
6, 7.
Very good. Good job, kids. You can do it. Yes.
2, 1.
Okay. Marching on your place.
5, 6, 7. 8,
What you have to do in this,
7,
you have to coordinate legs and arms.
2, 1.
Very good.
Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Little faster.
1, 2,
Slow.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Faster. Okay. All right. So it was our warm up, and now we are going to move to our activities. Okay, kids. Today we are going to learn how to get used to a ball. So let's see what your coach is going to tell you. Over to Mr. Hasnan.
It's very easy how to hold a ball. Simply with 2 hands. In the beginning you can hold a ball with 2 hands. Just bounce it.
Okay, simple bounce. You can use football, you can use volleyball, but remember, ball has to be little soft for your age. It's very basic. These are all basic skills. Okay, toss and catch, toss and catch. Okay, very nice. You can roll in both hands. Okay. So kids, you can take sitting position, you can do in standing position, but these things you can do while sitting on the floor. Yes, you can see what Mr. Hasnan is doing. Okay, now, oh, yes, you have to keep your one knee bended like as Mr. Hasnan is sitting. Okay, over and under, over and under. Yes. Okay, these are all basic skills how to get used to a ball. Oh, in this exercise, in this activity, you need a little bit big ball so you can handle it properly. All the way back. And oh my goodness, over your head. You're holding the ball with both hands. Grip the ball and you can circle it over your head. First this way and other side. Okay, now this is, be careful about this. Lovely, very nice, very nice. Good activity. Okay. Kids, you can do it slowly and nicely. Slowly and nicely. Okay. Whoa. Okay, good job. So, both legs together. You are going to roll the ball on your legs. Yes, you are going to push the ball with your palms, with the thumbs. Okay, next activity is, yes,
hold the ball 5 fingers, then try to hold the ball with 1 finger.
okay, with your fingertips. Yes, you are holding the ball with your fingertips. Okay, yes. And what you have to do, kids, you have to do all the activities at least 6 times or 8 times. Yes, good job. Good job. Now with your wrist. Oh, yes, with your wrist. Okay, you have to hold the ball between your wrists. Yes, you are using both wrists for this. Oh, now elbows. Okay, you are going to use both elbows. And remember, we are learning get used to a ball. Yes, good job. Good job. Come on, kids, I know you can do it. Yes. Excellent, excellent. Okay, now let's move to our next activity. All right, kids, now let's move to our sanding skills. In this, you can use any size of ball, but remember, ball has to be soft. So what we have, okay, Mr. Hasnan put 2 cones front of him and he is going to teach you sanding skills. Let's see what is the first activity. Okay. Oh wow. So what you have to do, you have to make a goal front of you and you have to roll the ball in between the 2 cones. You can use cones, you can use books, because you are going to put them beside, like side to side, and you are going to throw the ball into the goal. Yes, so this is rolling with hand. Okay, now we can see Mr. Hasnan is going to kick the ball or rolling the ball again with foot into the goal. You can use tennis ball as well if you have it, and you have to send the ball into the goal. Okay, now you are kicking the ball. Okay, get ready for the kicking. What you have to do, you have to do like 1 step back from the ball and kick. For kicking, you can use any part of your foot, but if you will use inner part of your foot will be more good. You will not get hurt. Very good. Come on, kids. Make a goal in front of you and kick the ball. Yes. Okay. Now you have to make a target. Yes. Roll the ball and hit the target. Happens. Try again. Try again. Yes. So keep trying, and if you think the distance is more for you, you can make a small distance, like, or if you want, you can increase the distance as well. And every exercise, every activity you have to do 6 times. Remember that. Keep doing it, keep trying. Good job, good job. Okay, let's see now. Roll and hit the target. Oh, now you're gonna kick the ball and try to hit the target. This is little hard, so start with a very small distance. Yes, yes. These are all sanding skills. Take one step back. Use your right or left foot in which you can feel fine, which is your strong foot. You can use that foot. You wanna kick the ball to the target and try to hit the target. Okay. Next is, we are going to move to our next activity now. We are moving to our next activity, and that is throwing skills. Okay, now we'll see what is our first activity is throwing the ball with both hands, and you can use hula hoop for this, or you can make anything on the floor. You can draw a circle with chalk, throwing the object with your both hands, and this is underarm throws. Yes, feet together, hold the ball in both hands and make aim. Okay, good job. Good job. Now we are using beanbag for this. Oh my goodness. Come on kids. Yes, you can do it. Both feet together, hold the beanbag in both hands and using underarm throw. Once again. Here we go. Okay. Good job. Now we are using small ball for this. Okay, both hands. Yes, underarm. Here you go. Try again. Yes, good job. Remember, all activities you have to do 6 times. Good job, kids. Good job. We are learning throwing skills. Good job. Carry on, kids. Nice. Okay. Let's move to the next activity. It is one hand throw. Okay, good job. What do we have to do, kids? You have to stand with feet apart, 1 foot at the back and 1 foot in front. Aim and throw. This is also underarm throw. Okay. Now Mr. Stan is using beanbag. Same way. 1 foot at the back, 1 in front, and throw. You have to swing your arm to send the thing in the target. Okay, big ball. Okay, now we are moving to the next activity, and this is overarm throw, overhead throw. Oh my God. So you have to do, you hold the ball in both hands and it is over your head and try to throw in the hula hoop. Feet together, grip the ball into your both hands and throw. Overhead throw. Okay, we are going to use small ball with one hand. Okay, one hand over your head, 1 foot at the back, 1 in front, and aiming the target. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Excellent. Good job, kids. Carry on. Try again and again and again. Try again. Wow. Nice. Okay. Alright. Now we are going to move to our next activity. Get ready. Alright students, let's move to our next activity, and this is walk and hop. Walking and hopping. Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Forward walk, backward walk,
2, 1, 2,
sideways walk.
5, 6, 7, 8.
You can draw a pattern on the floor with chalk or with a piece of paper or paper tape. Walk forward, walk backward, walk sideways, and one side to other side. Stand in the middle. Okay, now we are going to go for hopping. Forward hopping, backward hopping, side hop,
7, 8,
side hop,
8,
front hop,
6,
back hop.
4, 3.
Oh my god, kids, come on, very good. Okay, let's see now. Hopping again.
1, 2,
Oh my god.
3,
Oh my goodness.
4,
Come on, kids, yes, you can do it.
6, 7,
Let's have fun.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Hopping skills.
1.
Okay, other way around now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Both feet together.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job, everybody. Good job. Now we are going to move to our cool down time. Get ready for cool down. Okay, let's have cool down now with Mr. Hasnain. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do it very slowly. Come to your toes, heels up, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, good job. Side stretching, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Good job, kids. Here we go. Okay, this is our warm down. Cool down time going on. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your arms sideways now. Good job, kids. Carry on. Okay, sit down. Butterfly time. Feet together, knees up and down, and hands like butterfly wings. Yes. Okay, good job everybody, good job. Alright kids, so we are going to see each other next time. Bye bye, take care.